In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a folder or drive in Windows 11 Fix Today. Here, let's begin. Start by clicking the File Explorer icon on your taskbar and locate the folder or drive you want to share. Once you find it, right-click on the folder or drive, then click Show More Options. From there, hover over Give Access to you. You'll see options like Remove Access or Specific People. To share the folder, select specific people. A new window will appear where you can choose who to share it with, type a name, or select a user from the dropdown, then click Add. After adding the user, click the Share button at the bottom right. At this point, Windows may prompt you about network settings. You can choose to keep your network private or turn on network discovery and file sharing. For most users, selecting the option to keep your network private is the safer choice, but you can choose based on your needs. Wait a moment as Windows processes the request. Once done, you'll see a confirmation that the folder has been shared. You'll also have the option to copy the link or send it directly through email or another app. Click Done to finish. If you want to share the same folder with more people, simply repeat the process. Now, if you want to share an entire drive, go to this PC from the left sidebar in File Explorer. Right-click the drive you want to share, and then click Show More Options. Hover over Give Access to and select Advanced Sharing. In the new window, click the Advanced Sharing button. Check the box that says Share this folder. You can also rename how the drive appears to others by editing the Share Name field if needed. Next, click the Permissions button. Here, you can choose the level of access you want to give, such as full control, change, or red. Select the option that fits your needs, then click OK. Finally, click Apply, then OK again to confirm. Your drive is now shared and accessible to others on the network, and that's how you can share both folders and drives in Windows 11. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.